How to Recover Deleted WhatsApp Call History, Easy Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your deleted WhatsApp call history. Yes, it's possible, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open File Manager. First, open any File Manager app on your Android device. You can use the built-in one or a third-party app, whichever works for you. Step 2. Navigate to WhatsApp Files. Scroll down and tap on Internal Storage. From there, look for a folder named Android and tap on it. Next, tap on Media, then open the folder named com.whatsapp. Inside it, go into the WhatsApp folder and then open the Databases folder. Step 3. Copy the backup files. In the Databases folder, you'll see several files. These are your WhatsApp backups. Select all the files inside this folder. Tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner and choose Copy. Step 4. Paste into Backups folder. Go back to the main storage area and look for a folder named Backups. Open it, tap the three dots menu again and hit Paste. This transfers your backup files to a safe location and allows WhatsApp to restore them. And that's it. Once done, your deleted WhatsApp call history should be restored the next time WhatsApp syncs with your local backup. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or get stuck along the way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.